Workers' compensation claims in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. A single moment on the job can change everything. And when that moment comes, Pennsylvania law gives injured workers in Newcastle and Lawrence County the right to file for workers' compensation benefits. Pennsylvania operates under a no-fault system, which means you are covered regardless of who caused the accident, and you never need to prove your employer was negligent to receive benefits. These benefits can include medical care, lost wages, and compensation for permanent injuries, giving you a meaningful path to recovery without having to file a personal lawsuit. Under Section 301 of the Workers' Compensation Act, any injury or illness that arises out of and in the course of your employment qualifies as compensable under Pennsylvania law. This covers traumatic injuries like broken bones and back injuries from a single accident, as well as repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome that develop gradually over time. Occupational illnesses, including hearing loss from industrial noise or respiratory diseases caused by chemical exposure, are also covered, which is especially relevant in Lawrence County's manufacturing and construction industries. Even if you have a pre-existing condition, you may still qualify for benefits if your job aggravated, accelerated, or worsened that condition, though thorough medical documentation will be essential. Pennsylvania law requires you to notify your employer of a work injury within 21 days to receive benefits from the date of injury, so acting quickly is absolutely critical. If you wait longer than 21 days but still report within 120 days, you can file a claim, though your benefits will only begin from the date you gave notice rather than the date of injury. Waiting beyond 120 days forfeits your right to benefits entirely, which is why putting your injury report in writing creates an essential record that protects your claim from the very start. After you report, your employer must file a first report of injury with the Pennsylvania Bureau of Workers' Compensation, and the insurer then has 21 days to accept or deny your claim. When an insurer accepts your claim, they issue a Notice of Compensation Payable, a document you should review carefully because errors in injury descriptions or benefit rates can limit what you receive later. If the insurer denies your claim, an attorney can file a claim petition with the Bureau of Workers' Compensation, triggering formal hearings before a workers' compensation judge where both sides present evidence. Navigating this system is far more complex than it appears, and valid claims are frequently denied or underpaid by insurers who are motivated to minimize what they pay out. This is where having a skilled lawyer on your side makes all the difference. Someone who understands every procedural requirement and knows how to build a case that stands up under scrutiny. Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. has been representing injured workers across Western Pennsylvania since 1933, building a legacy of advocacy that spans nearly a century of dedicated legal service. The law firm's attorneys have earned AV preeminent ratings from Martindale-Hubbell, recognition by Pennsylvania superlawyers, and inclusion in the National Trial Lawyers Top 100. When deadlines are tight and insurers are pushing back, you deserve an attorney who treats your case with the seriousness and preparation it requires from the very first day. Call Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. today at 724-658-8535. Located at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania 16101, United States, to schedule your free consultation and protect your right to benefits.